Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add an SPF record to your Wix site. So let's get right into it. Now, SPF records are tied to the domain that you are, well, the owner of or that you have reserved. So what you need to do is go to your domains page in your account settings. So click on your profile icon in the top right, click on account settings, and you'll be brought to this page over here. From here, you're going to need to click on domains to the left on this menu here. And once you get to the domains page, as you can see, I do not have the premium version of Wix, so I cannot add or buy new domains. And I'll be showing you guys how to do so through this here help article. Now, to add an SPF record, if you have any domains in your domains page, you need to click the show more icon, which is these three dots next to the relevant domain, and then click on manage DNS records. Once you're here, you need to click the plus to add the record in the TXT section, which is the text section. Then you need to click the hostname field and enter the hostname, and if you're instructed to add an @ sign, leave it blank. Then you need to click the value field and enter the TXT value, and then click save. And that is pretty much all you need to do to add an SPF record. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys how to do it on the actual site, but I do not have the premium version. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.